The stock, which was trading at 400 level in the month of February 2020, within a 1 month, stock price crashed up to 130 levels. More than 50% erosion happened. Would you like the name of the stock? Just stick to this video till the end. Hello everyone, my name is Yagnesh Patel and I am a full-time trader and trainer. Today is Saturday and we are back with one more episode of Stock Watch. This is the episode number 19th and today we are going to reveal one more stock and we will see the charts of the particular stock, what signals it provides us. The stock which I am talking about, the more than 50% crash, none other than Ujjivan Finance. Stock company has been founded in 2005 with the NBFC license to help poor and get benefit from the big financial institutions. After a few time in 2015, Ujjivan get the approval license from RBI of small finance bank. So in today's episode, we are going to discuss about Ujjivan Finance technical analysis. We will see whole and detailed analysis of this stock. What are the signals which charts giving us and how the probability of this stock is bullish for the next coming time. And before that, if you haven't watched my last episode of DLF stock, I will give the link into the I section button. You just check out the video, and the DLF stock was performed amazingly in down move. Within a few time, it has crashed more than 5%, around 6% around. So if you haven't checked that video, I urge you to check that video. So let's move to the chart of the Ujjivan Finance. So I'm sharing my screen with you. So welcome to my screen, and you can able to see the chart of Ujjivan Financial, and this is a spot price chart and daily chart of Ujjivan. And you can see the very nice candlestick pattern from our last trading sessions, that is Friday on 19th June. So we have selected this stock, and as per the rules and the flow, we are starting with a higher time frames. So let's convert this chart to weekly time frame, which is higher to the daily time frame. Always prefer whenever you analyzing the trend, you just focus on higher time frame as a trend and lower time frame to trade. That's the biggest good nugget to understand. And this is the weekly chart of Ujjivan, and we can see there is a very nice candlestick formed on the weekly time frame, around 4% gain in this last week, which is very nice. And one more thing, you can able to see here, the previous closing is here of this candle, and the next candle closing is higher than previous one. That is very nice. And one more thing, after in the previous closing candle, in this week, the opening price of this week is same as the previous candle close, and stock has been first going down and then again gaining strength at the end of the week and closing above the previous one. That is a very good nugget and bullish candlestick pattern characteristic, because at the open, bulls are not in control, but bears were very in control. But few time when the week pass, the days passes, bulls are in control and push the price upside. That's the biggest lesson which we learn in this Ujjivan Financial. So in short, if you can see, price has tested this candle. I will say this candle has tested a lower side, and at the end of the week, it pushed back to upper side. So this is a very powerful price action in weekly candles. Okay. Weekly also very nice volume has been seen in last week as well as in this week also. And especially the momentum oscillator RSI is also showing strength by taking support near above 40 zone, which is extremely good for medium term horizon. So overall weekly chart is suggesting a good price action with viral volumes and higher side momentum. Now let's convert this chart to the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, you can see there is a very nice candlestick pattern form, bullish candlestick pattern form with a higher volume, which is very powerful. One more thing you can see, I am zooming the daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 4 to 5 trading sessions range has been created around this area. I will move this area here. Around 207. So for instance, last 4 to 5 trading session, 207 was a stiff resistance for Ujjivan. But finally, on the 19th June, it has crossed and closed above 207. So it's a range breakout of few candles, very narrow candles. We call it NRC, narrow range candles, NRC. So NRC breakout happened here, which is again good sign. So price wise, it's a bullish candlestick formation is good. Volume is good. You can see there is a huge volume has been built up here on a breakout candle. So that's again good sign because the volumes are supporting this up move. So that's how it is very powerful for deliverables and the short-term investors. Because if delivery has been taken out, then we can say more than more participants are interested in this counter. So I am also interested in this counter now. RSI also taking support above 60 and resuming its strength, which is extremely powerful signal. Okay. And one more thing, there is a change in polarity happened here. This is a swing high, which was broken out here, somewhere here. You can see here there is a price rejection, and finally it has managed to close above this swing high resistance. Stock went up and again tested these levels quite a few times, and now again resuming strength with NRC breakout, narrow range candles breakout. Okay, so again there is a very nice formation has been placed on a daily time frame. RSI momentum oscillator also suggesting good change in polarity also happened. So many signals has been combined at daily chart as well as weekly chart. Also very bullish formation has been placed. So in all, two time frames are supporting to take action for this stock as a bullish stock. Keep this stock in your radar list. And now we will see lower time frame of this. So 30-minute time frame I has chosen, and you can see a very nice price pattern breakout happen around this. I am marking the price pattern also. So this is a very nice triangle breakout happen, and a very nice move has been placed almost around, if I counted from here to here, it's a 7 to 8% move. And one more thing, if you have not participated in this rally, don't worry, because on a lower time frame we are finding the area where we can enter, because you can see the moving average has been here, slope was upward slope, but here from this area to this area, I can say from, I'll mark here, from this to this, the moving average slope was flat, and slightly now after a breakout, moving average slope was upward momentum going up. That's a very nice signal. So now what we are going to wait here, whenever the stock price or moving average support combines around this area, we are going to enter this stock. And there is one more method to enter in this stock is Fibonacci level. So now from this low to this high, so around 38% comes around 209, and stock was closed around 212, 13 in last trading session, 213 round number. So if stock price coming down around 209, 205, that's a nice level to enter in this stock. One more thing is here from this and this, there is a nice breakout also happen. So I'm removing 209, 205 is the percent gold Fibonacci ratios. And one more thing, this swing high has been broken out here. So might possible this is the area of support because change in polarity happened. So it's also combined with 207. 208 was the Fibonacci number, 207 was the CIP number. So that's how you can identify the area to enter in this stock. So if stock is coming down around 207 to 205, that's a nice area to enter in this stock. And also there is a very nice volume has been built up on the breakout. You can see a very nice volume is going up, stock price is going down, but after some consolidation or maybe profit booking happened here and volume is declining. So it might possible one or two candlestick later, it has formed, might possible forming a bullish candle with higher volumes. That's a sign of resuming strength in this counter. So RSI is taking support at 60, which is extremely bullish signal. So keep this stock in your radar list because of so many reasons on weekly, on the daily chart, and on the 30-minute charts. These are the chart time frames we have analyzed and finding many signals to get into this stock. So now it's time for levels to find out. For levels, I have just explained you 200 and 207, 208 is a very nice number to get into this stock, enter to this stock, and keep your stop loss below this swing low around 196, 193 here. I'll just mark it here. If this 193 is your closing basis stop loss, you can put here. And what are the numbers of expecting as a target? So I will mark here target as well. So I just use this Fibonacci number from this to this. So around 239, almost 240 is a round figure number also, 240. It's a 161% Fibonacci ratio. So you can take this 239 to 40 as a target. 230 is the last close. 208, if stock taking a dip around 208, 207, enter the stock with a stop loss of 193, and your target area is around 240, the first target level. So that's how these are the levels. And a standard disclaimer: this is not a buy and sell recommendation. This video is just for educational purpose. So keep this stock in your radar list. The levels which we mark on this chart, you use for your entry and exit also. So if you like this video and the analysis, how we analyze the different time frames, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe to my channel and keep for the next, wait for the next video. Thank you so much.